Hi, my name is Scott Harris from MarineMax Greenville, South Carolina. I'm going to take you on a video walkthrough of our 2020 NXT22. Come on with me. This boat, as you can see, sits on the beautiful tandem axle trailer, which comes with the boat. We're going to walk around the boat. It's equipped with the fiberglass swim deck, sea deck covering for the swim platform. I'm going to step up into the boat after we get a nice little video of that. Also underneath here, actually, you'll see the nice Gen 2 surf system that this boat comes with, which has switching side capabilities, which is really cool for you guys when you're out surfing on the lake. All right. It's equipped with a nice step on up over the transom of the boat. You come on through. This boat's equipped with the Z2 tower with swivel wakeboard and wake surf racks. Very easy to put up and down, a very easy tower to lower up and down here by just moving this swivel knob. Coming on through, this boat's equipped with a nice snap-in carpet. It also has, as you can see, the advanced audio, and what that includes is 2 S70 Klish Tower speakers, 4 cockpit speakers, and a 12-inch subwoofer. This thing really rocks on the lake. It's a lot of fun having the stereo on out on the lake in the boat. Over here we have the new upgraded 2020 modified dash. Comes with the presets for surf, ski, and wakeboarding. All you have to do is hit one touch and it sets the boat for what you guys want to do on the lake. Makes it real easy, operator friendly. Nice pickle fort up front here, so it gives tons of room. You can sit 4 people in this 22-foot boat. It's fantastic. Lots of room up here, leg room. Equipped with the Klish speakers here up in the front and the cup holders. It's got the nice walk through here. Come and check out this awesome NXT 22-foot 2020 at MarineMax in Greenville. We have the best pricing in the country. Come on out, honestly, and we'll show you this boat and get you guys on the water. Really excited about this summer.